Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update Firestick software.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get straight into the video. To update Firestick software, you're going to hop over to Settings. From Settings, you're going to see an option that says My Fire TV. Click on that and then go to About. Under About, you see this option that says Check for Updates. Now, as you can see on my screen, the current version is Fire OS 6711. Last checked was 2nd of May 2026, so that's very recently. It was last checked on Saturday. I'm running the latest version. If I was not running the latest version, you see an older date here. However, if you want to just make sure you're in the latest version or you want to install an update that will probably fix a bug, you just click on check update and you see it is checking. So the last check date will turn into right now. But then you see it's checking and it says your Fire TV is up to date. So if it says yours needs an update, just download and install the update and you're good to go. So that's how you check for updates. That's how you update the software of Firestick. Hope that was useful and insightful. If it was, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.